aborokiwa abakoro ba Kisii High School kose Kisii School alumni abo bakumirana asege ikareke mokera omwaka nigo bachagete kumirana litukuri igoro abo ase eskuru yo ase baba bagukora egikaro kya boli tukuri lero na nigo bakora egikare kyolimo na bagukora egikare kiri maso omwaka ase kerenga kiregyo kuba aborokyo mukia gesemi na boigo kemuika ase boigo baba bakulira yogo chugusira aborokiwa bali bakorwa ase chinka chibwate okonyora wainse anena somwa koyo iga nigo boigo ekerenga kyarenge gyokoroisia gusegosira ensemo yechi computer nigo boni gikarekyo kyabagiye koera buya ase baba bakwaligania barai au anene korwa ase chikanisa muna enchera ya mayogo kwanera na boigo gosegeta aborokiwa bo ase enchera yake moika.
Today we have a grand event of a grand reunion of the alumni who have already arrived in large numbers. We are supporting the school in terms of infrastructure, and the objective of the old boys is to support the school in terms of infrastructure and even support students by giving them motivational speaking and also financial.
I'm Dr. Sogo Boniface. I'm an alumni from Kisii School, class of 2011. Today I joined a wonderful group that came as a chair of the organizing team for 2026. And the reason why we are here is to have an objective of achieving three things. Number one is we are here to network the whole boy community so that we are able to marshal our energy to support the school community. This year particularly our mission is to have an ICT hub in this school so that the modern technologies that is there in the world, students are equipped by the time they leave Kisii School. They are at higher level to be able to get technology skills that are able to help them be better in the market.
I was invited to Kisii High School, the Kisii School, to come and be part and parcel of the grand alumni reunion which was happening here as a guest speaker to come and help the young people of this great institution to untap their hidden potential and become better versions of themselves.
As the Alumni Week has been organized, we've been able to come and talk to these boys. We've been able to motivate them, speak to them, and far importantly, we've also been able to nourish them spiritually. And altogether, we have also been able to tell them that also choices, they have the consequences altogether. So when they've come to school as they're making choices, God also is important and part and parcel of their choices in school.